Plants are amazing. They're like green machines, turning sunlight into food. We all learned about photosynthesis in school, but what if I told you there's more to the story? Plants don't just need sunshine, they have a secret recipe, a hidden world of activity we rarely see. Imagine a bustling kitchen full of ingredients and activity. That's what's happening inside a plant all the time. They're taking in sunlight, yes, but also carbon dioxide from the air. And they're pulling up nutrients from the soil, like tiny miners searching for treasure. This process, this incredible food-making feat, is what keeps plants alive. And since plants are the basis of almost every food chain on Earth, it's what keeps us alive too. So let's take a closer look, shall we? Let's uncover the secrets of photosynthesis and learn how plants really cook up their meals. We often picture plants just soaking up the sun. Sunlight is vital, but it's only one ingredient. Think of it like baking a cake. Sunshine is the heat, but you need flour, sugar, eggs. Plants need carbon dioxide, which they breathe in through tiny pores. They need water, pulled up from the roots, and they need nutrients from the soil. The soil is a living ecosystem, teeming with microscopic life. This hidden world helps plants access nutrients. The more we learn, the more we realize how interconnected our planet is. Here's where the common understanding of photosynthesis often falls short. We tend to simplify it, thinking it's a straightforward equation. Sunlight plus water equals plant food. But that's like saying you can bake a cake with just heat and water. The reality is far more complex and far more fascinating. Plants aren't just passively soaking up sunshine, they're actively engaging in a complex process, one that involves multiple steps and a delicate balance of ingredients. This oversimplification leads to misunderstandings. People might think, just give plants sun and water and they'll be fine. But it's not that simple. Just like we need a balanced diet with vitamins and minerals, plants need a variety of nutrients to thrive. And these nutrients come from a surprising source, the often overlooked soil beneath our feet. When we think of soil, we often picture dirt, lifeless, inert. But this couldn't be further from the truth. The soil is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with microscopic life, bacteria, fungi, even tiny insects and worms, breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients. It's like a hidden city bustling with activity. Plants rely on this hidden world to access nutrients. They need microorganisms to transform nutrients into absorbable forms. It's a symbiotic relationship, a delicate dance. Section 3. The active eater. Plants in control. Plants aren't just passive absorbers of carbon dioxide. They actively regulate their intake, adjusting it based on their needs. Remember those tiny pores on their leaves called stomata? These act like tiny mouths, controlling CO2 intake and water loss. It's a delicate balancing act, influenced by sunlight, humidity, and the plant's internal clock. Section 1. Chlorophyll, the green engine. At the heart of this incredible food-making process lies chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their vibrant green color. But chlorophyll is far more than just a pretty face. It's the engine of photosynthesis, the key that unlocks the energy stored within sunlight. Imagine chlorophyll as a solar panel, but infinitely more sophisticated. When sunlight strikes a leaf, chlorophyll molecules capture photons of light, much like a solar panel captures sunlight. But instead of converting it directly into electricity, chlorophyll uses this light energy to power a remarkable transformation. Within specialized compartments called chloroplasts, chlorophyll orchestrates a complex chain reaction. It converts light energy into chemical energy stored in the bonds of molecules like ATP, the energy currency of cells. This chemical energy is what fuels the plant's metabolic processes, including the all-important conversion of carbon dioxide and water into sugars. Section 2. Carbon power, fueling the food factory. While chlorophyll captures the energy for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide provides the raw materials. Plants are incredible carbon recyclers, taking in CO2 from the atmosphere and incorporating it into their own tissues. Think of carbon dioxide as the building blocks for plant growth. Through a series of chemical reactions within the chloroplasts, CO2 molecules are combined with water molecules using the energy harnessed by chlorophyll. This process, known as the Calvin cycle, results in the formation of glucose, a simple sugar that serves as the basic building block for all other plant carbohydrates. This glucose is the plant's primary source of energy, fueling its growth, development and reproduction. It can be used immediately for energy, stored as starch for later use, or converted into other essential molecules like cellulose, the structural component of plant cell walls. Section 3. The Soil Symphony, a world of partnerships. While photosynthesis takes center stage, the soil ecosystem plays a crucial supporting role, providing the essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. It's a world of intricate partnerships, a delicate dance between plants and the microscopic life that inhabits the soil. Imagine the soil as a bustling marketplace where plants and microorganisms engage in a mutually beneficial exchange. Plants release sugars and other organic compounds into the soil, providing food for the diverse community of bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms that call the soil home. In return for these sweet treats, the soil microorganisms provide essential services to the plants. They break down organic matter, releasing nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium into forms that plant roots can absorb. They also improve soil structure, aeration and water holding capacity, creating an environment conducive to plant growth. Section 4. Roots, the nutrient miners. Plant roots are the unsung heroes of the plant world, tirelessly exploring the soil, seeking out water and essential nutrients. They are the plant's lifeline to the hidden treasures buried beneath the surface. Picture roots as intricate networks of tiny miners, branching out in all directions, seeking out the resources their plant needs to survive. They navigate through the complex maze of soil particles, following gradients of water and nutrients, seeking out the richest veins of nourishment. Through specialized cells on their surface, roots absorb water and dissolved minerals from the soil solution. These nutrients are then transported upward through the plant's vascular system, a network of specialized tissues that act like pipelines, carrying water and nutrients to every part of the plant. Section 5. Balance and adaptation. The plant's balancing act. Photosynthesis is not a static process. Plants constantly monitor their environment, adjusting photosynthesis and nutrient uptake. It's a delicate balancing act, showcasing their adaptability. Think of plants as skilled tightrope walkers. They balance carbon dioxide intake with water loss while ensuring nutrient access from the soil. Plants have evolved mechanisms to optimize growth and survival. Here's the key moment, the grand reveal that changes everything. Plants aren't just sitting there, passively soaking up the sun. They are active participants in a grand partnership with the planet. Plants remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, locking it in their stems, leaves and roots. This process regulates Earth's climate, keeping CO2 levels in check. Plants are also oxygen factories, releasing the air we breathe. They are the foundation of nearly every food chain, providing sustenance for life on Earth. And here's where it gets even more amazing. Plants don't just react to their environment, they actively shape it. They are ecosystem engineers, influencing everything from soil composition to water cycles. Remember those intricate root systems branching out like tiny miners? Well, those roots aren't just searching for nutrients. They're also binding the soil, preventing erosion and creating channels for water infiltration. Plants also release organic matter into the soil, feeding the microorganisms that maintain its fertility. They create microclimates, providing shade and humidity that benefit other organisms. They even influence the atmosphere, releasing volatile compounds that can seed clouds and affect rainfall patterns. Far from being passive bystanders, plants are active architects of their surroundings, shaping the very landscapes they inhabit. So, what have we learned? Photosynthesis isn't just a simple equation. It's a symphony of life, a complex interplay of energy, matter, and relationships. Plants are not isolated individuals, they are integral parts of a vast interconnected web, woven together by invisible threads of interdependence. When we look at a plant, we're not just seeing a single organism, we're seeing a microcosm of the entire planet. We're seeing the sun's energy being harnessed, carbon dioxide being recycled, nutrients being exchanged, and life being sustained. We are seeing the delicate balance of nature in action, a reminder that everything is connected and even the smallest actions can have far-reaching consequences. This understanding, this appreciation for the interconnectedness of life is at the heart of what it means to truly understand plants and their remarkable ability to make food. As we've journeyed through the intricate world of photosynthesis, one thing has become abundantly clear. Plants are nature's master chefs, conducting a symphony of life-sustaining processes that are nothing short of extraordinary. They harness the sun's energy with unparalleled efficiency, transforming light into the very building blocks of life. Far from being passive recipients of sunlight and water, plants are active participants in a grand ecological network, constantly interacting with their environment, adapting to changing conditions, and shaping the world around them. They are the architects of ecosystems, the engineers of soil fertility, and the very breath of our planet. Their ability to convert carbon dioxide into sugars, releasing life-giving oxygen as a byproduct, is a testament to the elegance and ingenuity of nature's designs. They are the ultimate recyclers, transforming waste products into essential resources, ensuring the continued balance and vitality of our planet. Understanding the intricate processes of photosynthesis is not merely an academic exercise. It is a call to awareness, a reminder of our profound dependence on the plant kingdom. Plants are the foundation of our food chain, the source of our oxygen, and the regulators of our climate. Yet despite their vital importance, plant life faces unprecedented threats from habitat loss, climate change, and unsustainable agricultural practices. It is imperative that we recognize the interconnectedness of all living things and act as responsible stewards of the natural world. By protecting existing forests, promoting sustainable agriculture, and supporting research into plant science, we can ensure the continued health and productivity of our planet's green heartbeat. Let us move forward with a renewed appreciation for the wonders of photosynthesis and a commitment to safeguarding the future of plant life for generations to come. So, there you have it. Plants are pretty amazing, right? They're like tiny green factories, powered by sunshine and fueled by a hidden world of activity. Next time you see a plant, take a moment to appreciate the incredible processes happening inside, the delicate balance of nature at work. But our journey doesn't end here. Share this video with your friends. Spread the word about the wonders of photosynthesis. Let's inspire a greater appreciation for the plant kingdom and the vital role it plays in all our lives. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fascinating explorations into the natural world. Together, let's unlock the secrets of our planet, one amazing discovery at a time.